this mountain Curiosity's government specific environment is 3. Space vehicles. 4. Part 4. Space vehicles. Everything that's in our planet we can load loads. So vehicles with mass back of the body. Imagine space cars, space vehicles. We very much revolutionize spacesuits. And as I mentioned in the past videos, that have no restriction 125% unlocking the codes of the images technology. So revolutionize spacesuits more like the Rocketeer, more there's Iron Man, more like that. And finally learn how to breathe outer space without a spacesuit. Seems possible, huh? But if we can only measure, if we the person the thing that makes it possible is we will measure the weight sockness when the spaceship of the astronaut cracks. The hydrogen from our body or from the body of the astronaut will be stuck in the universe, right? If we can only measure the sockness, the how speed, the time, and how's the intensity of its food, then we can provide more like stereotype or make some type of capsule or simply increase resistance of human body to stereotype or capsule type of medicines from our babies and fruits to increase resistance. Gritty underwater increase our resistance. I believe we can do it. So it's more like from those times where planet moon is so impossible to walk on to just to live with it, to go there. But now we done it, and it's not. I bet it's like the first one to be able to be without space. Imagine the gas chamber that used in criminals. Now those gas chambers we can develop as experiments and facilities for the site projects how to breathe in outer space. Space vehicles. Imagine traveling outside our planet. It's very. I bet we can do those with those vehicles from the same alien space shuttle in the moon in a vast speed. We can do this to be. The thing is, our vehicles we designed it almost 100% or 90 or 80% we only design it here in planet, but our engineers will design since we were Ferrari has brought the world and second indication know that we'll design it, the vehicles outside the planet, I bet you can produce those type of vehicles that can move so very fast. Imagine like scanning signals, yeah. The thing is, you see the concept, okay? You see the space towns, space malls, universities, space bars, restaurants, etc. And there's universities there, especially with astronomy, science, that they also study astronomy, where the real exposure there, literally. And human is the most dominant species of the time. There's this more easy to procure. But this is only the start of the probability response system. Okay, the second one is the next solar system. Because it says being monitored by the front pag-usapan